Alpilean supplements for weight loss. The benefits of using Alpilean diet pills to achieve your weight loss goals. What are Alpilean diet pills and how do they work? Alpilean diet pills are a revolutionary new weight loss supplement that can help you reach your weight loss goals faster and more effectively than ever before. They also contain vitamins and minerals to help support healthy energy levels throughout the day. With regular use of Alpilean diet pills, you can expect to see results within a few weeks of starting the program. These pills are made from natural ingredients and have been clinically tested to ensure they are safe and effective. The pills work by suppressing your appetite, increasing your metabolism, and burning fat more efficiently. Alpilean diet pills, weight loss supplement, fat burner pill, natural appetite suppressant, Alpilean ingredients. Alpilean diet pills are an all-natural weight loss supplement designed to help people achieve their goals of healthy, sustainable weight loss. These pills are made from natural ingredients that help to boost metabolism, reduce cravings, and suppress appetite. With regular use, Alpilean diet pills can help you lose weight and keep it off for good. The pros and cons to taking Alpilean diet pills. Alpilean diet pills have been gaining popularity as a weight loss supplement, but what are the pros and cons to taking them? This article will discuss the potential benefits and drawbacks of taking Alpilean diet pills. We will look at how they work, their potential side effects, and how they can help you achieve your weight loss goals. We will also explore how this supplement can fit into a healthy lifestyle. By the end of this article, you should have a better understanding of whether or not taking Alpilean diet pills is right for you. Side effects of Alpilean diet pills, benefits of Alpilean diet pills. Alpilean diet pills have become increasingly popular in recent years as a weight loss aid. While the pills can be effective for some, there are potential side effects and benefits that must be considered before taking them. In this article, we'll explore the common side effects and benefits of Alpilean diet pills to help you make an informed decision about whether they are right for you. For more information about this great diet pills, go to the website link in the bio. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked this video, please give me a like and subscribe for more of these videos.